This is Open Lara on SNES Mini, and I'll show you the bug in sound effects. When the sound effects are on maximum, you can hear gunshots. When sound effects are set down by 1, you will hear gunshots sometimes, but mostly it won't work. If you decrease it by 2, it would be better. But like you see, sometimes it still won't work. If you decrease it by 3, it will still be better, but still not perfect. Well, it looks perfect, but if you decrease it by 4, then you will be sure that it will work always. So, if I put it back, like you see, it's not working. And this is Open Lara on SNES Mini.